You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce these names of Arabic origin. Yes, it is common also in India and Pakistan, but it's of Arabic origin, meaning the chosen one or the selected one by Allah. Chosen by Allah. The Arabic pronunciation Mustafa. Mustafa. It's easy, therefore in English the pronunciation is similarly as Mustafa. Mustafa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.